Hello everyone, welcome for this session. This session, as I told you, we are going to discuss about the disadvantages of plastics, how plastics affect on our life. Okay, so let's take a revision what we have gone through in this point. So firstly, we have gone through that human beings and plastic. What is the relation of human being and plastic? Okay, as I told you, human beings and plastics are related with each other. We have invented the plastic. Okay, we have started using the plastic, but that plastic we have used not for our need but for our greed. That's why the plastic affected on each and every living creature on the earth. So it started damaging ecosystem. Okay, so that is the worst thing that happened here. We have used the plastic, we have invented the plastic, but that plastic is affecting on other creatures. Okay, so all animals which are presenting on the earth, somewhere they are suffering from the plastic. Okay, so that is the relation that human beings, how we have created the plastic. Okay, so plastic, as I told you, there was no harm in using the plastics. Okay, the substances which are made up of plastic. But actually, the problem is that how much amount of plastics we should use, how much plastic we should use. There is a limitation or unlimited we should use. Okay, so if you find out the thing that there is a limitation of using plastics because only human beings are the only creatures who use plastics. Okay, we have never seen that any other animals require plastic for his daily purpose of whatever the things. But as compared to human beings, we are the living creatures. We use plastic at the most of the part of our life. Okay, so that is the relation of human beings and plastics. Next, we have gone through the advantages. What are the advantages of plastics? So, I told you that plastic is one of the essential material that we have. Even though our daily routine, whatever the task we perform in our day-to-day life, it is incomplete without plastic. So, plastic somewhere is acquired throughout the life. If we say that plastic acquired our complete day-to-day life. Okay, in each and every aspect, somewhere it is concerned. So, plastic, it is not that the plastic is harmful, we should stop using plastic. No. Plastic is a substance which is useful for us. Okay. Sorry. So, what we should do? Okay, so we should use the plastic at a particular level, not for everything. Okay. Nowadays, we'll find out most of the things in our day-to-day life is related to the plastic. Okay, so means there should be limitations. Whatever the things we are using with the plastic, there should be limitation. According to that, we should follow. Okay, but sorry to say that we have started using the unlimited plastic where it is necessary we are using, but there are the few places where plastic is unnecessary. Okay, we should stop using the plastic at that place. Okay, that time also we are using the plastic. So it will be the worst situation in our future if we will not stop avoiding the plastics. Okay, so that is the point today we are going to learn about. We are going to learn about disadvantages of plastics. Okay, how plastic is harmful for us. Okay, so in last video I have written here two words. Degradable and non-biodegradable. Okay, these two words are very essential for our ecosystem. Okay, what do you mean by biodegradable? Biodegradable means the substances which can decompose. Okay, by any method are called biodegradable substances. Okay, And non-biodegradable, we cannot decompose it, we cannot dispose it. If we try to dispose it, still it will be harmful for us. Okay, so plastic is the one. Plastic is a non-biodegradable material. Okay, it is very difficult to decompose it. Okay, so that only we are going to learn about the disadvantages. The first disadvantage is plastic is non-biodegradable substances. Okay, plastic is non-biodegradable substances. Now here it is concerned about non-biodegradable means we cannot decompose it with any method. We cannot dump it, we cannot throw in water. Okay, by any method, even though we cannot burn it. Burning is the last stage for any substance or decompose to any substance. Okay, but plastics cannot burn completely. If you have, you can find out. Take a pure cotton cloth, burn it. Take a polyester, burn it. What we find out? Cotton cloth after burning it will turn into ashes. But that polyester cloth, after burning, it releases a smoke, and also after burning it will stick. It will become a completely black. And how much it will burn? Okay, it will not burn. It will something. It will be remaining. Okay, so we cannot burn the plastic. But plastic is the material which we cannot burn and decompose. Okay, if we try to burn, even though when we burn it, a harmful gas is released into the atmosphere. The same plastic, we cannot decompose it with any way or any method. If we try to decompose it, if we burn it, it releases harmful substances into the atmosphere. Okay, we can say poisonous gases. Okay, that is one of the disadvantage of plastic. Another is that plastics are the material, okay, which we can use it, but there is a limitations of using. Okay, I said that correct. It is non-reactive, light, cheaper, and all that. But somewhere it is affecting to our ecosystem. Okay, assuming that there are the many cycles that occurs in day-to-day life. Okay, just like food cycle, food chain. Okay, water cycle. So many things are there. So plastic is the thing which affect on many cycles in the atmosphere. Indirectly, it will affect or severely affect our ecosystem for many purposes. Okay, as I give you an example that if nowadays what we are doing, we are dumping the garbage, whether it is biodegradable or non-biodegradable. What is the simplest way? What we do? We dig up it, dump it. Okay, that's it. We will not do more than that, and we will cover with soil something. Okay. What after that? Okay, now this is the rainy season. Okay. Wherever we are dumped that garbage, what happens with that garbage when there will be rain? You know that percolation or the percolation of the soil. Which is percolation means absorption of the water by the soil. But really, what water is absorbed by the soil? Where we are dumped the garbage? Because suppose this is the layer of soil. Okay, soil, plastics or non-biodegradable substances. Okay, again this soil. Okay, suppose rainwater. If you are trying to absorb it, what happens here? It will reach this point. What after reaching this point, this will not allow water to go underground. Okay. Because it is made of plastic and does not allow that water. Okay. So the water will remain in that place only. It will not go underground. There will be no water. Okay. And the effect of that, decreasing of groundwater. What is the effect of that? Decreasing of groundwater. Groundwater decreases rapidly because there will be no absorption of water. Okay, water is not going through the ground because of that garbage, non-biodegradable material. It will remain here. And first thing, ground level will decrease. Secondly, this soil becomes useless. Why it becomes useless? Because of the water. दलदल भी see the situation that जहाँ पे दलदल की conditions बन जाती है. अभी हम लोग देखते हैं कि बहुत सारी जगह पे अभी हम नांदर में ऑब्जर्व करते हैं ऐसी कुछ जगह पे जहाँ पे बहुत सारा पानी जमा होगा वहाँ की सॉइल एकदम दलदल से अगर हम लोग पैर रखेंगे तो हमारा पैर अंदर धंसते हुए जाएगा. तो वहाँ की सॉइल ना तो हम घर बांधने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ना कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, ना हम लोग फार्मिंग के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एनी पर्पज इट विल बी यूजलेस. सो एक तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, सॉइल क्या हो रही है, एकदम यूजलेस हो रही है, उसका कुछ भी यूज नहीं हो रहा है. सेकेंडली ग्राउंड वाटर. सो ये सब हो रहा है यहाँ पे प्लास्टिक. अगर यहाँ पे बायोडिग्रेडेबल मटेरियल होता, ओके, तो क्या होता है, ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 महीने में क्या होता है, डिकम्पोज हो जाता. और ये क्या करता, वाटर को अलाउ करता अंदर जाने. बट इट विल नॉट डिकम्पोज फॉर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ इयर्स. इट विल रिमेन एज इट इज. सो इसका इफेक्ट क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, इसका इफेक्ट क्या हो रहा है. सो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ये यहाँ पे अलाउ ही नहीं कर रहा है पानी अंदर जाने. सो दैट विल बी द सिचुएशन क्रिएटेड बाय द प्लास्टिक बिकॉज इट इज नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल मटेरियल. सो ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. ओके, सो ये अफेक्ट कर. जैसे मैं आपको बताया कि व्हेन वी बर्न द प्लास्टिक, okay, when we burn the plastic releases harmful things into the atmosphere. First thing, it will not burn completely. Whenever you burn plastic or any synthetic fiber, it will not burn completely. So वहाँ पे कहते हैं कुछ मटेरियल्स तो रिमेन होगा. एक तो वो हम लोगों के लिए हार्मफुल होगा, और नेक्स्ट चीज क्या होगा कि आफ्टर बर्निंग द प्लास्टिक इट रिलीजेस द पॉइजनस गैस इनटू द एटमॉस्फेयर. And that poisonous gas will we can say severely damage our atmosphere. So ये क्या करते हैं, poisonous gas हमारे atmosphere पे. Okay, so these are the things that we should take care while using the plastic. Secondly, I am talking about the single-use plastic. How does the single-use plastic is destroying the land? Okay, that point we are going to learn now. Okay, so most dangerous plastic. Okay, the most dangerous plastic in our ecosystem or in the atmosphere is the single-use plastic, because that single-use plastic can be used for only 1 or 2 minutes, and we will throw it. For how much time you are using? Only 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, but it will remain as a garbage for hundreds of years. It will pollute our land for hundreds of years. Okay, so that is the big issue regarding single-use plastic. Okay, whenever we use single-use plastic, okay, so we are adding garbage to the atmosphere. We are adding a poison to the atmosphere. In short words, if you need. We are adding poison to the ecosystem. So first thing that we should avoid the single-use plastic. Secondly, this plastic is turning into the garbage. Okay, how much the garbage we are using, that much we are producing, but there is a zero rate of decomposing. Okay, see simple है, garbage produce होता है, decompose होता है, फिर हम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, डिकम्पोज. ओके, ये साइकिल कंटिन्यूसली चल रही थी. ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग गार्बेज प्रोड्यूस नहीं, 0% हम लोग उसको कंप्लीटली स्टॉप कर देते हैं. नहीं, समवेयर वी नीड टू यूज द गार्बेज. ओके, इट इज नॉट द इशू दैट we need not garbage. We need it for the compost. It will add manure to the soil. It will increase the fertility of the soil. But which type of garbage it is? It is biodegradable, which can be decomposed. But what about the non-biodegradable material? Non-biodegradable material cannot be decomposed by any way. Oh, it will take hundreds of years, thousands of years to decompose. That means if you are producing the garbage, where we will throw? We will throw in on land or in water. If we are throwing on the land, that means where we have thrown the garbage or the plastic, that will become infertile. Why? Because if that plastic will cover that land, and we cannot do any construction and farming on that land. Even though any plants cannot grow on that place, so it will be becoming useless. Second, water. If you are adding the garbage through the water, there also we are destroying the aquatic life. As I told you in Pacific Ocean, millions of tons garbage is produced in India. Millions of tons. So I'm talking about only Pacific. See how many oceans are there, how many seas are there, how many rivers we are polluting. Okay, don't go far away. Just go through the Godavari river. You can find out that how we have destroyed the aquatic life. Cal bags, plastic bottles. Okay, obviously they are affecting to our aquatic life. And somewhere, if see, we are depending on each other, aquatic, whether it is aquatic life, whether it is terrestrial life. So somewhere we are linked with each other. Okay, if the chain is breaking from somewhere, that means whole ecosystem will be disturbed. So if you want to maintain the ecosystem, we need to use the plastics in a very low amount. Until and unless we will not use the plastic in less amount. See, again I am repeating that we cannot avoid using the plastic. Plastic is concerned for us, it will require for us. Okay, plastic is a good material, but when it will be good material, when we use it in a particular limits. If we will cross the limit, so it will be very difficult for us. So plastic is a substance, we should use it very carefully. Plastic can destroy our atmosphere. It is destroying our ecosystem now. What we can do that we cannot stop using the plastic. So this is the first thing, that we cannot stop using the plastic. The thing that we can do, that is we can reduce the use of plastic. That is the thing that we can. Now I use the word reduce. So in next video we are going to learn about the 5R. How this 5R can save us from the plastics or the from we can get the reduce, or we can have a solution from the plastics. Okay, this 5R. What is this 5R? How can we save our planet from the plastics? That all we are going to see in our next video. Okay, I hope you understood the disadvantages of plastics. Okay, so that's for today. Thank you and have a nice day.